everybody, and welcome back to my vlog. What is a vlog? It is a video blog. My name is Sue and I am from OML Embroidery, and I have mini me over here, Beatrice, with me again, and we're going to do an unboxing and make an announcement. So everyone say hi, B. Hi, B. Say hi, B.
Oh, hi, B.
There we go. All right, B is going to help me do this. We're going to, okay, B's going to do the cutting. Yes. She's so excited, and she's going to hand me the stuff, and we're going to talk about it. So this is from Craftsy, by the way, and there is something in this box for everyone watching. So here we go. Creativity's in your hand. Ooh, look, I got a whole bunch of stickers. That's pretty cool. All right, so first up, can you guys see it? You can maybe move here, B. Yeah, just a little bit. So this is a sneak preview. This is a charm square. Don't you like that, B? It's so pretty. Charm square, so it's 5 by 5 in the fabric that I use all the time. The cute Halloween stuff.
I have so much
and
stuff.
And this is a sneak preview. There's more for the next giveaway. How cool is that? So 4 people will get the same fabric that I use all the time. So that's one.
Oh, that's my favorite.
I know. I know. This is going to be another giveaway. It's, would you move, B? I got to be able to see what I'm doing.
Sorry.
Sorry. Come on. So this is Beatrice's favorite. It's her favorite. So more charm squares to share.
That's what my glasses case is in.
Yes, creative kiwi glasses case. So we're gonna leave these so you guys can see.
It's pretty teal.
It's gorgeous, actually. If you look on the side,
ooh, it's rainbow.
Can you see? It's rainbow, and they're pretty prints, and they're gorgeous. So that's gonna be another giveaway. Look at, and I had to. These are layer cakes, guys. How about that for a prize? Isn't that awesome? And that has, so this is a layer cake, so it's 10 by 10. Ooh, I love Craftsy.
I love Halloween.
I love the fabric. Oh, and another one, so we'll have 2. This is a new one that I'm gonna try. What do you guys think? Isn't that pretty? Look at the colors. I know, I know. I can see a nice glasses case. I can't wait to open this one up. I actually maybe will open it up so we can have a look. Why don't we? Okay, I'll do that in a sec. Okay. One more, new one. Oh, isn't that so pretty?
It almost reminds me of like something tropical, like flamingos.
Maybe. I think it is, actually. Maybe we'll open that one up, too. And this is also for you guys. This is the larger version, so the pre-cut version of Beatrice's favorite. Yeah. So look at that. How's that for a set of prizes, guys? So they all kind of go here and here. And this is just awesome. And these ones are new ones I want to try. Now, we have a giveaway going on right now, and we are going to finish that giveaway when the subscribers hit 9,000. So get everyone to subscribe, and we can move on to this big fabric stash giveaway. I know. So we'll announce the winners on the first one, and we will announce the winners. Well, we'll announce when this one is starting. It obviously hasn't started yet. Yep, love them. Oh,
it's bees!
It's bees! A bee for B.
With bee on it.
I know. Well, now we've got green and yellow bees.
We have everything bee.
I know, because you're a bee. Oh, isn't that pretty? That is so gorgeous.
There's pink bees.
Okay, coming. Oh, there's yellow bees, yellow and white. Okay, that's probably why I got this bee, because it was B.
Yeah, probably. Most likely.
And it all matches.
I love that.
I know. And now we're getting into the pinks. So it's the same fabric patterns, but different colors. So
pretty.
It's, yeah, that goes so well with everything else. Isn't that gorgeous?
I think a new glasses case is required. Or
Yes,
a new coaster
creative
or
kiwi.
something.
And here we are. This is what B was oogling. The pink and white bees.
So cute.
They're happy bees.
They're
Bees
so
are good.
cute.
Bees are good. So that's the first one. I am happy with this. What's it called? Does it... No, I'll have to look it up and give you guys the name. I'll leave it in the description. So that's one. What's the other new one? Oh, right here. So let's open it up. This one looks really good. I have the feeling this one is called Candy something.
Looks like something that you could use on like Easter or something. Oh.
Maybe. Or something happy. Don't you guys love the packaging? How it comes from Craftsy?
So cute.
Yeah, it's perfect. So when you guys receive this, the winners, it's so nicely packaged already. All right, so this one, I just saw a sticker on the back. Let me see. Does it say the name?
Candy Splash.
Candy Splash. There it is. So this one's Candy Splash. And the one that we just did was Little Bee.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Yeah, okay, so that's why I bought it. So, candy. I was right. It was something about candy.
It's nice little lollipops.
It kind of looks kind of cute, doesn't it, so far? So, the first one is stunning. Oh, boy. Yep, we're going to love this. Oh, look at the colors. Oh, that's awesome.
That's so cool. It's like little bubbles.
Oh, I like it. That's kind of retro-y. Look at that.
That's mermaids.
Kind of mermaids.
I love mermaids.
Kind of. So that matches that, just in different colors. Isn't that cool? All right. So, rocking it out. Oh, and the pinks. Everything's in pink. Pink bubbles.
Bubblegum.
Ooh, ooh, ooh. Isn't that cute?
They're so cute.
Look at that one. That goes with the turquoise one.
Green.
Okay, then we're... No, wait, we gotta do yellow first. Gold or yellow?
Orange.
Orange?
Well, that's orange.
I guess orange.
I don't know.
Not really
Kind of both.
sure. Kind of yellow and orange, we'll say. Oh, boy.
Oh, wow. That's
a heck of a color. I love it, though. I love it. The fabric is so gorgeous. And it's so nice having... Oh, look at that one. It's so nice having the same, you know, patterns with different colors.
Everything matches.
So everything matches. Look how incredible that matches. Isn't that neat? So this is the candy one. Oh, I like that. I keep thinking this looks like a flamingo leg every time I flip it over. Ooh. Blue bubbles. All right. So there we go. So be looking for candy stitch outs. I don't know what I'm going to do yet. You guys can leave a comment if you have any ideas of what I can do with this gorgeous fabric. And the bee fabric. Obviously, we're going to have to make bee something with the bee fabric. So you can also comment on that. She says a creative kiwi glasses case, but maybe a bookmark. We'll find something. We'll find something interesting. So thanks for all your help, Beatrice. And everyone, look forward to the next giveaway. Now, this isn't the video for the giveaway. This is just a sneak preview to show you guys what's coming up. And there is a lot coming up. There is some goodies to be had.
It's going to be exciting.
I know, it's going to be exciting, and these ones too. So hopefully we can get started on it. So you guys can have your gorgeous Halloween fabric. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys like the giveaway that's coming up. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Bye.
Hey everybody, and welcome back to my vlog. What is a vlog? A vlog is an embroidery blog. No. Let's do that again. Take two. What is a vlog? It is a video.
Yeah.
All right.